Welcome to our summer reading program, Oceans of Possibilities. I'm Miss Janelle.
And I'm Miss Cynthia.
We are going to have fun reading and learning about the oceans with your free grab-and-go activity kits.
A special thanks to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library, the Verada Rotary for sponsoring this free kit.
If you don't already have a kit, you can pick one up at the downtown library, Coyote Ranch, and even on the bookmobile.
In your kit, you will find a booklet with interesting facts about each weekly topic.
You will also find all the materials that you will need to complete each activity, a free bookmark, and a game board to help you track your daily minutes read so you can enter them online later.
And don't forget to visit our website at buckeyeaz.gov/library for hours, locations, and fun online resources.
This week's theme is Oceans of the World.
Janelle, did you know that the largest living creature can be found in the ocean?
I did not know that. Thanks for sharing. Let's learn more about the world's oceans with this week's activity.
And today we're going to show you how to do the continents and oceans puzzle.
Stay tuned for the secret code at the end of this video. Let's get started. So to do our continents and oceans puzzle map, you will need your continent and oceans pieces, your labels, and your check sheet. You will also need your small white envelope, blue cardstock, tan folder, your scissors, your glue, and your crayons. So the very first step is to glue your blue cardstock onto one side of your tan folder and your white envelope on the other side. Once that's glued, you can set it aside to dry. We're going to work on coloring our continents pieces. So once you're done coloring, you can choose any color that you would like. You're going to very carefully cut out along the dotted lines. So once you're done, you have your pieces. You can set your pieces aside in a safe place for now, because next we are going to work on coloring the labels. If you like to color your labels, you can, but you don't have to. Once your labels are all colored, you're going to cut along the dotted lines nice and carefully. So once you're done, it will look like this. Here's my oceans labels, and here are my continents labels. Once you have all of your pieces colored and cut out, now you're ready to put together your puzzle. So you lay your continents pieces on your blue background. And don't forget to label them. Once you are done, you can keep your pieces nice and safe here in the envelope on the other side. You and your whole family can sign up for the summer reading program at maricopacountyreads.org and select Buckeye Public Library. Don't forget, the program ends on August 1st.
You will earn 1 point for each minute that you read. See you next week for more fun.
Bye!